Hey everybody, it's Chris with Longevity, brought to you by our three proud sponsors: Ashwood Construction LLC, Handyman Professional Services, and DNC Properties. We're here today because we have a special video today of a wonderful new unboxing of our brand new Ryobi HP Brushless Oscillating Tool / multi-tool, whatever you want to call it. You want to stay tuned for this one, guys. This is going to be a good one, that I can promise. So here we are, guys. We are back here. We're back at the headquarters right now. A little bit of news since my last video. I just want you guys to know we did get the shop. Everything's rolling. We're going to shoot some videos tomorrow. We're going to get that place cleaned up, and we're going to get it set up and get it rolling, because that's going to be our main headquarters. It's really exciting. It's groundbreaking news. We're really stoked. And anyways, let's get right back into this video, guys. So today what we got going on is Ryobi's brand new brushless HP oscillating tool from Ryobi, okay? This is their newest, their latest, and the greatest. High performance with advanced technology. This has a new tool-free accessory change, and the new brushless motor is putting out more than 30% up to faster cutting. So this is going to be one of their newest products on the market. This is part of their brand new line. Now, I've heard a little bit of both sides of that. This tool is still geared towards the homeowner and is also geared towards the professional. I'm here to tell all of you guys that I sold all my red and black to go back to green and black, where it all started. Some of y'all might call me crazy. Some of you guys might say you're out of your mind. Some of you might say this guy's a noob. He don't know what he's doing. But the fact of the matter is, I really do know what I'm doing. And yeah, this is where it all started at one point. I started my business back in the day with Ryobi. It was a time where, I guess I'm going to have to say, it was a time where I didn't have a lot of money at the time, and that's all I could afford. With that being said, I'm not saying that their products weren't good. It just got to the point where I I sent emails. I think I made tons of videos with their products, and I still use some of their products to this day. But the problem is the products that I used all the time just weren't up to par to where I needed them to go. So, with that being said, I'm going back to green and black, and I'm giving this Ryobi HP line a fair shot out here in the professional world. We're going to shoot tons of videos. We are going to shoot job site videos. We are going to use and abuse these tools, as my boy would say from the tool review zone. Hey. You know, as he would always say, we're going to slice and dice, and we're going to put these bad boys to the test. If you guys were over there at Tool Review Zone, go and give him a shout out. His video of this unboxing was wonderful. It was great. Did some great tests. And shout out those guys. Also, I want to give a shout out to VCG Construction. Vince and the crew over there. I've been watching those guys for about 2 years now. My channel's nowhere near as big as these guys, but I'm on the rise, and this is where we're coming out. We're going to be new, innovative, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to give all these guys a run for the money. And we're also going to go ahead and share ideas, because you know what? I want to see everybody successful when it comes to making videos, doing reviews, all kinds of stuff. So let's get down to the nitty and gritty. Okay, I also got the high output 2 amp hour battery on it, because we want this thing to be as light and compact. So one of the cool things I really like off the rip about this oscillating tool is that you can stand it upright. Okay, it doesn't. That's on the highest speed. Okay, we're not on even a flat ground, but it was dancing around a little bit. I haven't done any test cuts yet, but you know, one of the biggest things with oscillating tools is, and listen guys, let's give Ryobi credit, okay? Because I think right off the back, ergonomics fantastic. It feels great in the hand. It's lightweight. It feels good. Is the vibration better than my Milwaukee? No, no, I don't. I'm not going to say so. Better than the old M18 and better than the old M12, but better than the new brushless. I don't know. It looks actually a little similar, TTI, to the Milwaukee. Actually, a little bit. If you actually take a look, you can see some of the features are quite similar. If you don't know, TTI owns Ryobi and Milwaukee tool companies. So also, too, let's go ahead and jump into this. So the toolless blade change is great. What you do is you lift this lever all the way up. This pin comes out. What you do is you push this pin. You're going to push it left. It folds out. Boom. You lift the blade up. Put the new blade in whenever you want. You snap that back in. Turn it back over. Lock down your mechanism here, and guess what? That bad boy's on there. They also added the LED feature, which they've never had before on any of their oscillating tools. I'm not sure if the old brush version had it, but I do know the old the tool job, if you guys know what I'm talking about, the Job Max, where they had the changeable heads, which is the original oscillating tool that I used to have, where you could use all the different multi-attachments. Even with Rigid's brand, we're also compatible with the Ryobi brand as well. So they've kind of got away from the Job Max, no longer doing that, and they also finally made a brushed version of an oscillating tool. Had a little dial just like this. I can't remember if it had an LED light, but that's where we're at. So if you guys, anybody knows the model that's before this one, which we'll have to do a review on it and do some tests just to see how much better than they are of the two, please leave down in the comment section below. Let me know. Did it have a light or was it an LED light? I can't remember, but if please, let me know down below in the comment section. Also, too, guys, we're right about the 7-minute mark. We're going to get rolling in this video, keep this rolling, but hit that subscribe button if you haven't already been subscribed to the channel. We got great footage coming out, guys. We have some really, really good stuff. But I want to just real quick get into just a couple of the statistics of this brand new oscillating tool from Ryobi, right? This is model number PBLM-T50B. Okay, so right off the rip, I'm going to show you guys. We want to see a little bit of the statistics here, huh? It also comes with multi-tier blades, cut wood, plastic, drywall, metal, and it's got a sanding sheet as well. Wonderful. So, here we go. Multi-tool. Okay, I gave you guys the model number there, PBLM-T50. This is a brushless motor. Provides up to 20,000 oscillations per minute. It's got a tool-free accessory release for quick and easy accessory changes. Variable speed dial on the front of the actual tool for multiple material applications. So you basically have an adjustable dial so you can adjust the oscillations per minute. Depending if you're doing fine cutting, trim work, or whatever you're doing, you can basically control the oscillations per minute, and that's going to allow you for fine tuning and fine cutting. Also, first time in I believe in Ryobi's history, has an LED light that illuminates dimly light workspaces in the actual oscillating tool itself. Now, oscillations per minute, like I told you, remember you have that dial where you can rotate the variable speeds. That will allow you to go from speed 1 from 10,000 oscillations per minute to 20,000 oscillations per minute. All right, and the oscillation angle is 3.6 degrees. So, now, with this kit, it includes 18-volt brushless multi-tool. It comes with the plunge cut blades, a flush cut blade, sanding pad. That means the actual sanding mechanism itself, and 3 pieces of sandpaper in the operator's manual. Pretty nifty box. You know, I really love how Ryobi's rebranded this brand. The new HP line. I know they've had the HP stuff out for a while, but guys, this is groundbreaking. This is huge stuff for me. This is really, really exciting, and I really can't wait to give this new tool a chance and give Ryobi a chance, because guess what? We got more reviews on all the new HP line of Ryobi coming your way, baby. So here we go, guys. Have a wonderful video, and stay tuned for the next one, because guess what? It's going to be a good one. Dun, 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 boom!